Hello? Welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host who is Well. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial video, but I will show you the product in about 2 or 3 minutes. But before I do that, and we go all through the process of trying it out and see what rating we can give it, I just want to go through the nitty-gritty stuff first, which is if you like the product, the video, the advice, anything in the video, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up. It tells me what you like to see, what you want to see, what will come up in the future, and other people can like it, other people can see it, and the video go around. So definitely give it that smash of that thumbs up button. Also, you can subscribe to tazwells12. That's very easy. Go on tazwells12, my main page, and then there's a subscribe button up the top. Then you will be subscribed to my YouTube journey, channel, and the love family. Also hit the bell notification button, and that will tell you when a new video has been uploaded and notify you straight away. Share button is down below. You can share it with your friends and family if they've got this product, they think that this video might help them, or give them a bit of advice, or they want to comment down below on the video, then let me know, and see what their thoughts of it. Also, like I said, you can comment down below on the video. Suggestions, feedback, what you wanted to see, let me know down below, and I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I will or do mention. It's just out of my own money, what I went in the shop and found and brought. It is just an advice video for you guys, so it's no sponsored at all. If you could please check out my 2 accounts on social media of Instagram. So you have tazwells12, tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. That is everything. Now we will get into the makeup review testing tutorial video. The product we're going to review today is this Real Techniques product that I actually found in Home Bargains. I did not know Real Techniques did products. I've got loads of their brushes, sponges, loads of their equipment, but never any products. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, what is this? If it's just a setting spray, then this is right on my street. I think it is a setting spray. So this is the Real Techniques Glow Finish Blend Extender with electrolytes. It's there. Is electrolytes, and it says it's to hydrate and brighten at the top, just there, yellow. It has 60 ml on here. I was trying to read it when I was literally like in the shop. It's multi-tested, which is there. It's in yellow, it's really hard to see. So it's DERMATOLOGIST. It's safe for sensitive skin. It's no harsh chemicals in it, 100% vegan and cruelty free. And then the instructions are really hard to like find on this. So basically it's a glow finish blend extender, like it said on the front. It says shake well, spray on a sponge, press into the skin and blend, or spray directly on the face to refresh the look. I think from Home Bargains this is like £1 or £2, which I thought was worth the money to just try for one of these videos. If it's a setting spray, it's going to hydrate, make my face glow. I'm liking a glowy look at the moment, so really like that. I know it says that you're supposed to spray on a sponge and press into the skin, which I can do for you if you want that to happen, but I normally wet my sponge, so I'm a little bit confused. Maybe this is to wet the sponge and then press it in to like hold it in. We can try that if that's what you want to do, or we can just spray it. I might spray it first and then see what hold it gives us, and then if it's not doing what I think it's doing, then we can try it with the sponge. It's definitely not been opened, it's brand new with all it's sealed. Basically when I saw it in the shop, it basically had a cut, like a clear liquid and this murky liquid at the bottom. Basically it does tell you to shake well, so that all that murky liquid, I'm guessing is like the glow that's meant to go in your face. Let's pin my hair up, let's spray it, see what it's like that, because I've got electric fan, I can go to like dry it off. I want to feel the tightness, I want to feel it like holding my makeup in, and we might do the spray on the sponge and we'll go from there. So just do that and I'll be back in. I haven't got any actual foundation on my skin, I haven't got any primer, I haven't got any moisturiser. The only stuff I've got on my skin is a concealer that I actually done for another video, and some powder. It has got sort of a base, liquid base on there, but not a full foundation. But like I said, let's spray this. So I have actually got myself an electric fan that I asked Neil, I think it was for Christmas. Yeah, for Christmas. It's the greatest thing, because I was using like a manual fan to like set my setting sprays, which was lovely and it worked fine, but then that broke, so I was like, can you get me an electric fan? And this is the greatest thing, so I'm glad we swapped and the other thing broke. Let's open this up. It's got this thing on it, and funny enough, I actually saw this product being sold on Vinted, and I think someone was selling it for like a £5. Put it out of Home Bargains, unless they got it out of Home Bargains and they were trying to sell it for more money, or the more expensive version out of like Boots or somewhere, and we're trying to sell it for cheaper than what it is. I don't know what the original price is for this, but Home Bargains, if I see anything in there, it's normally 100% good. Real Techniques is a really good brand, really good brushes. I've got loads of their brushes here, so yeah, it's really good. Shake the bowl, and now I'm just going to spray over there because I haven't sprayed this before. Oh, it's got a fine mist. Very nice. Like a fine mist. It don't have any scent, which is a bit annoying. Not annoying, but I like a little bit of a fruity scent, but hey ho. I have got my fan ready. So let's just spray all over the face how I would normally, and we can see what it's like. Oh, it's lovely actually. It's really lovely. Really nice spray. Oh, it's lovely that is. It's like a really fine mist. Really nice. So we've got the fan. It hasn't got any scent to it. Normally the sprays I have, they're more of a really harder mist. Don't know if that's give me any glow, but I can feel like a bit tightness in there, and I did spray quite a bit, as you saw. Yeah, I feel quite, there's a bit of tightness. I think we should get the sponge out and maybe try on. I try and do these review testing tutorial videos quite thorough for you, because I feel like if we don't try the product out like fully as a mount, then you're not gonna know what's the best way to do it. So this has got quite a fine spray on it. I have just grabbed my beauty blender. This only comes from B&M, and they're really cheap and really nice. But when you put like a bit of water on there, they're really soft. So I've never used it where it's hard. Squirt it when it's like dry. I'll give it a good like amount like that. Most of it's on my finger as well. I'll just wipe that off. There's a lot of it. So I would say the sponge is damp. It is, you can feel it tight because it's on my hand now. Just go on this side and just like see if that will do anything. Normally I actually probably wet the sponge and then go over, because the sponge is quite hard when it's got no water in it. Right. So I've just done one side of the face. Feels tight actually. I'm trying to get as much product as like possible. Again, we're going with a fan. but I can feel it tight on my hands. That's the weird thing, because a lot of it went on my hands. I've hardly used anything as well. Yeah, I can feel it tight. So I'm guessing if you actually did put like quite a good full foundation of coverage on that, that would hold it. I'm actually impressed with this. I thought it would be a holding spray, like a setting spray, more than like some people have like primer sprays and everything like that. I've got some from Primark that I need to do a video for you guys actually on. But when I saw this, I thought that's definitely got to be a setting spray. Like, I can't see it being a blend extender and it being a primer spray when you've already primed and everything. So I am going to take my hair down and then we can give it a review. Hair is all down now. My verdict on the Real Techniques Glow Finish Blend Extender Spray is a massive thumbs up, like massive thumbs up. I'm really impressed with this product for the amount of money. When I saw Real Techniques, I was like, yes, that's going to be a really good product. I'm really glad I picked this up. I'm so gutted I didn't pick more up for like £2, because this is a really handy bottle to the fact that it's not like massively thick, big, it's only a tiny bottle. So this is really good if you like went somewhere for like a weekend or a week. It's really like, there's a good amount of like product in there. I'm actually so impressed with this. I'm actually I've got a wedding coming up that I've got to do my own makeup because I'm one of the bridesmaids. I'm actually going to use this as my setting spray because it gives you the glow. I've got like some glowy products I want to use with some matte products with like some skin like products. I'm actually really happy with this. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to MAC Fix Plus with me because my MAC Fix Plus is really good. Normally I do use two setting sprays, but this little baby is going to be coming with me in that bag to do that makeup because I'm thoroughly impressed with this. Like, you can feel the hold. The verdict for this is a 100% thumbs up. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the makeup review testing tutorial video on the Real Techniques Glow Finish and Blend Extender setting spray from Home Bargains for just £2. My verdict was a thumbs up. Like, if you see this in your Home Bargains anytime soon, because it could be still in there, I did buy it a little while ago, but it might be still in there, just get it. Like, any Real Techniques products are really, really good. Every time I've used something, it's been really fantastic. Take your noggin. If you see something in there that you think, actually, that it's really good product, I would normally buy that out of a normal shop and it's like half the price, then grab it. Just grab it. Like I said, I'm so gutted I did not grab some more of these because they're really good for £2. Anyway, like I said, this is the end of the video. If you like the video, the advice, the product, then let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up. Tells me what you want to see, tells me what you like. Other people like it, other people see it, and yeah, it's a good massive thumbs up. So definitely smash that thumbs up because it helps me out. Come and subscribe to tazwells12 please by hitting the subscribe button at the main page at the top. Hit the bell notification if you want to be notified of the newest video. Click the share button to share with your friends and family. Comment down below if you like the video, you want to suggest something. I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I have or did mention. This is just an advice video for you guys. What I saw in Home Bargains I thought would be pretty good. And yeah, it's just an advice video for you guys, so not sponsored at all. Check out my 2 accounts on social media, which is tazwells12, tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you'd like to do, please, that'd be great. Thank you for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed the video. I hope that this has saved you a little bit of money, or actually you got this product and you're not sure how to use it. I've just showed you 2 ways. I hope this has helped. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I'll see you soon, guys.